Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is TeresaLouise and today I wanted to share with you my sew sampler box that I got in the mail for February. I've had it for a little while and well, life just got busy and I haven't been able to get this baby open for you. I know there are a lot of videos out there already, but let's take a look and see what I think. All right, here we go. It says, enjoy the little things. Always try to. Oh, let's take a little peek. That wasn't a very good peek, was it? Okay, let's see what we got. We always get a little card right here that tells us everything that's in the box, gives us a description, and also on the back of these, you get a 15% off of the Jolly bars, but every month it's something different. So, but that's what it is for February, and they last for quite a while. Like this one is till April 20th, which I always appreciate that. Um, Also, there's a little note on here that's reminding everybody about the charity quilt and stitch along called Bountiful. So if you're interested in doing that, head on over to the back quarter shop, and that's usually a really cute a sampler type quilt, and they also have kits and all that kind of stuff. So I would see if I could show you the picture of it right there. So anyway, that's what's on there. Go check that out. I might be doing that. I'm not sure. All right, another little peek. What do we have here? Some Threadostats. Okay. These are from the Featherweight shop. That's cool. They're $14.48 retail value. Really pretty blue. I don't know if you can see that. There's also a little sewing machine right here. That's cool. Looks like a featherweight. So these are hemostats, I think is what they're called. A lot of hospitals, clinics, that kind of thing usually use them. But they can come in pretty handy in the sewing room. I like to use them if I'm having a hard time turning, some fabric inside out or that I've sewn together. Or you can, they say you can get the threads out of the bobbin area, so you could grab a hold, click this down, and then it has it nice and tight, and then you can pull some threads out or whatever. So anyway, yeah, handy thing to have. So I like that. And then next we have some extra long ballpoint pins. And they say that this is a bonus item. So here's the pins, multicolored. The retail value for this is $3.98. And it says that they're size 24, which is 1.5 inch, and there's 75 in here. So there's the pen. That's a nice big fat ballpoint or round ball on there, so that's easy to grab a hold. I appreciate that. Now this is a little thicker than I like using usually, but they'd be good if you're doing blue jeans or something like that. They're not going to bend as easy. So yeah, I like that. And it comes in a nice little case, so you can put that in your sewing box, take to with you at retreat or whatever. So that's nice. Okay, next thing we have in here is this little case, and it says that it's $7.98, and it's called Make Time Scissors, large needle case. So it's a little case for your needles. So you can put your needles on here on these thingies, and then it also has a little pocket here and then it has two little pockets here. Put a small pair of scissors in there or something. But yeah, that's really cute. Pretty handy. I do cross stitch, so that'd be something I could put my cross stitch needles in. But I also do hand sewing, so I could, you know, I could take one of those permanent markers and write on here what pin size, each side is if I wanted to. That'd be kind of handy. So yeah, that's really cute. I like that. And 7.98 is not too bad. And then this is our fabric. We have Corey Yoder, and it's called Sunwash. And boy, that's really pretty. I'll open that up in just a minute, and we'll take a look at that because we still have a few other things in here. Looks like we have something called Quilty Scraps by Riley Blake, and $4.48. These are cute little bags that are perfect for the sewing room or retreats or in the car. They're biodegradable, and they have two adhesive strips so you can hang it anywhere to collect your sewing scraps. Or you could use, perfect gift for your friends too. If you're in those swaps and stuff, this would be a cute little add-on. Because, hey, these are cute. I don't care who you are. Now, when I go to a retreat or sewing group day, we always have a little bag taped to the table to put our scraps in, so we don't have to just pile them up on the table. So I think these would be really handy for that. I also like the idea of having that in the car because you always need a little trash bag in the car. So I might put one of those in there. But I'm going to put these in my sewing kit basket. So the next time I go to sewing day, I'll have them with me. And I might just share. So those are cute. I like those. All right. Then we have a Jolly Bar um, from the Fat Quarter Shop pattern. Now, the Jolly Bar is something that the Fat Quarter Shop makes. It's exclusive to them, and they're 5 by 10 inch strips of fabric, and there's usually 42. And you always get a pattern with them. So it looks like they threw this pattern in. Really cute. I like that pattern. It's pretty easy to do. So that's nice. And then the pattern that came with the box right here, that's really pretty. You would use this one Jolly Bar, and then you would also need 2¼ yard for the background, and the size of this quilt would be 54.5 by 54.5. So cute pattern. I really like that. I think I might just do that. And we are still on the Bliss Quilt Along and by Fig Tree Company, and this is block 11, and I'm going to show it from here because it's a bigger photo right there. Now you can join along on this block of the month. Just go to the Fat Quarter Shop and you'll find it there. It's $4.98 a month. I'm sure you can get the back ones. So this is the card. Quick view. So that's a cute block. And these blocks are like 10.5 by 10.5. Okay, let's get this baby open. Paper, scissors, or plastic. Either one. This is really cute. Oh, double plastic on there. Okay, well, I want to see what is in there. I want to look at that fabric, so I know you do too. So let's see if I can't get that off of there. And I might just do that pattern, so opening this won't be a big deal. All right. So there's that one. There's two of those. You're not going to be able to see this one, I don't think. It's a white on white. Maybe you can. That's really pretty. Ooh, this one's pretty too. I'm going to say that through the whole thing. There's just one of these. And one of these. I'll try to go fast. And this one's really cute. It's got little bees on it. I like that one. And little flowers. And gingham. Isn't that pretty? And green plus signs. And we have green X's. And then a yellow. Yellow. There's a yellow gingham. I should have just put the camera down. This has little X's on it. And this one's pretty. There's two of these. Now we're getting kind of into a peach color gingham. There's two of those. This one has the bees on it. That's so cute. I would love to have this in the backing. That'd be cute. Peach again with the little X's. Now this is a little more pink. And pink. And we got two of these. And then one in the gingham. Nice big fat gingham. This is like a salmon color. Okay, and then we're getting into blues. We got two of those. Oh, and this one is multicolored, so that's kind of cool. And then another gingham. We got two of these. I actually got three because this one got cut off short. Huh, that's interesting. See there? So that's nice that they cut me another piece, right? So I have a little extra. Ooh, I like this one. It's really pretty. And then we have the X's, or the plus signs. And then the blue with the little bees. That's so cute. And I like this one too. That's really pretty. And multicolored. We have X's again. And little bigger flowers. Little flowers. And then this one here. That's pretty. Look at that. Okay, that's all of them. You got two of those. So that was all of them. I really like those. Those are really pretty. I like Corey's fabric. So that's it. Thanks so much for joining me. I really like the box this month. Everything that I received I can use. I might not use these every day, but they're sure handy when you need them. So, and I'm pretty sure when my husband finds out I have them, he's going to want to use them too. So, yeah, awesome box this month. Okay, thanks, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.